Hey everybody, Namaste. Back again, this time with AICTE free online courses for communication skills. Now we know majority of the students or the youth who are graduating from different colleges and universities in the country, are starving for good communication skills to get a suitable employment. They all have the wonderful subject knowledge. They all have wonderful skills when it comes to their domain-specific skills. But the one main disadvantage where they are facing is developing these communication skills, because which cannot be learned overnight, and this has to be either come through over a process, or you have to hone the skills through a perfect, well-structured platform. And here are the two platforms which are recognized by AICTE, and these two companies have been courteous enough who have come forward to give their products free of cost for those who register before 15th May 2020. Please remember this. You need to register immediately in order to get the free available. Otherwise, they are expensive courses. And Awaken the Genius, what a wonderful title, is a wonderful platform for a study skills package. This particular platform equips the students. They have a well-tailored tools and techniques that ensure that their concentration, comprehension, confidence, retention, recall, all these are very well honed over a period of time once you go through this well-structured online free training course. Now, don't take it like any other course, because this is a well-structured course and they have a very well trained people basically to take care of your communication skills program. And you can access these product videos if you want to see before registering through awakenthegenius.org, and there you have number of videos, basically trailer videos. You can just see them and then register. And the prerequisites are any graduate, you can register for this particular course. Again, the course is free. During the COVID shutdown, the company is courteous enough. And so I appeal to all the graduates, BA, BSc, BCom, Engineering, MBA, any graduate, please utilize this wonderful opportunity and go through this particular course. So we have another company called WordsMaya, from WordsMaya EduTech Private Limited, and this is a wonderful free online course. This is a free app-based courses for communication skills and interview preparation. Now, these courses are aimed at developing skills of college students so that they get ready for a corporate job. These courses improve skills such as ability to communicate in English confidently. So once you go inside, you have the ability to complete the course while going through the description of is aimed at developing skills of college students so that they get ready for a corporate job. These courses improve skills such as ability to communicate in English confidently, well-groomed positive personality, and ready to face job interviews confidently. Courses have 50 hours of chart-based interactive audio-visual content. And what more you want? You have a wonderful platform which will guide you through a well-structured program. Again, it is an ideal for any graduate, and all the infrastructure requirement that you need to have is a good smartphone with good internet connectivity. So these two platforms are very good for improving your communication skills, and I request all the students, please make sure that you register for, you go through the websites of these two particular platforms, choose which one is better, and then spare your wonderful time, your leisure time in developing your communication skills. So with this, please take care and stay safe, and we'll see you in some other session. Thank you.